Hey, and welcome to Liberty Ironworks. Today we will be talking about quieting a noisy anvil. Now, as you can see, that ring, while it's pretty distinctive and at the start of the work, actually very fun, quickly becomes a headache if you have to listen to it all day. Now, step one to quieting your noisy anvil is to have it securely mounted. That you want to mount your anvil and whatever you want to mount it to, be it stump. Some people like to machine their own bases so that the corners of the feet fit perfectly in there. I've seen 4x4s used where they bind them together into a large block about the size of a stump and then mount it on that. But whatever you do, all that really matters is that you get it properly secured at the feet so that really no matter what you do, it doesn't want to walk or move or shake, anything like that. And all I did was take some metal banding and then screw it into place. And so far that seems to be working for me. If it manages to wiggle out of there, then all I'll do is screw it back up and make it tight again. But I really don't think it's going to be much of a problem. So once you get your anvil mounted, the next question is, how do we deaden that ring a little bit more? Because it's still pretty loud. Well, one option some people seem to like are magnets. And you just try to find somewhere they won't bother you and put them there. This one doesn't want to, but we'll put it right there for now. These are just welding magnets I had laying around. There's better ones you could use. Probably some flat, I don't know, craft magnets, something like that. But you can just stick magnets on there. And that helped a little bit, but not great. And one reason I don't like magnets is while you're working, this is an old one, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Forge scale will fall off and it will collect on these. I cleaned this one off recently, but I just rubbed it against the ground, and as you can see, it just collects all that metal bits and everything else, so you'll have to keep those clean. That's why I don't like it. Option number 2 is a classic, and I think it's a classic for a reason, and that's just chain. And all you do is, I'm going to wedge this in there so it can come out. You take some chain, and you wrap it around the base of your anvil. There. And that is the option that I like the best, just because it's not going to fall off, it's not going to collect scale. As you can tell, that actually helps probably a little bit more than magnets did. But that's my personal favorite. There are other ways you can, I've heard of people putting caulk underneath the base of the anvil to try and cushion it a little bit. But chains, magnets, secure base, anything that works for you. Okay, that's it for today in quieting your anvil. I hope that was helpful, and any questions, comments, leave them below. Have a good day.